Welcome back. Today we're going to do a simple rice and vegetable dish. Go ahead and prepare your rice as per package. This one here required 2 cups of water. I put 2 1/4 cups and put it in the microwave until finished. In the meantime, you can go ahead and chop up what veggies you've chosen to put in it. I'm using a scallion here, a sweet pepper, and some match sticks that are going to be carrots that are shredded. Go ahead and chop those up. I went ahead and put on a skillet on medium heat, put 2 tablespoons of oil in it, and add it a half a teaspoon of pepper. Then you can go ahead and add your veggies to your skillet and let those cook until al dente. I also added a half teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of minced onion. I've also decided I'm going to add 1 radish chopped. You can go ahead and add that to your skillet as well. While your veggies are cooking, I have boiled 2 eggs. The rice has finished. Took 12 minutes in the microwave. This meal I'm preparing is going to make 4 servings, so I went ahead and scored the rice into quarters. Take 1/4 of your rice and add it to your skillet and veggies. This is going to be enough for 1 serving. And I would let that cook a couple more minutes, not long, and then go ahead and peel your boiled egg and slice it and go ahead and plate it, and it's ready to serve. Like I say, this is more than enough for 1 person, 1 portion size. So thank you again for watching. Enjoy this rice and veggie dish with egg on the side. Thank you.